Welcome back to Edu Skills, OET Made Easy. Our mission is to make you fall in love with OET. OET aspirants, especially those who are financially struggling to crack OET. He said you have to write down. One example I'll give you. One student was asked to speak about a fish. One fish was placed on the table. Teacher asked him to describe the fish. He described beautifully about the eyes, about the shape, about the color, everything. Then he was asked to look at the fish, every organ what he wants to describe and write down. Then he understood teacher had actually removed the eyes of the fish. There was no eye. Eye was removed. Eyes were removed by the teacher. But then looking at the fish, the student was describing beautiful eyes, wonderful. Only when he wanted to write exactly, he looked into it, there was no eyes. So you have to write down. That's what I'm telling you. You have to write down. Some of you have whose memory or visual memory is weak. You may not feel like writing, I tell you, but you have to force yourself to writing. That's how you activate your visual memory. You don't feel something, what to write, why to write, I understood. No. You have understood, like the student who explained about the fish, you have understood, but that's wrong. When you write down, you reconfirm it. And when you decorate it, circle it, synonyms and the contrast words and all those things. That's why I'm showing you highlighting, coloring, boxing, circling, and everything on the PPTs. If you do that, you also activate your kinesthetic memory. When all these three memories are activated, learning becomes very easy. This is an experiment, I tell you. This is just, I am not just telling you. I have experimented it and I have done even with my own students when I was in charge of a college, our college. Like I used to complete my syllabus within a month, 5 months syllabus, semester syllabus for BBA, BCom, BS students. We used to complete within 21 days were given to the students and the teachers. Within 1 month, they will have the model exam. Then next 4 months for other skills and competency learning and industrial visits and other programs. And students could manage excellently well, whereas we have same campus. One is on the skill-based learning, premier campus. Other one was the ordinary campus, where they used to take 5 months, these classes, then extra classes, special classes to complete the portion. Only thing I used to make them is to get awareness in them and allow them to use all the 3 types of memory simultaneously. And it's not easy. That's what I said. If your visual memory is not dominant, you don't feel like writing at all. See, my visual memory is dominant. That's why I feel like writing. I feel like writing. So, but then I see that I also read. I also listen. I have developed balancing in a balancing way. So when you do your practice, do all these 3 things. Listen to the videos or audios, whatever. Then that's why I make you to listen even in the system reads and you listen to it, even in the reading subtest. The passage or the questions are read by the system so that you have a listening practice as well. I am activating your auditory memory. Then I am activating your visual memory by my colorful PPTs, slides. Then I am activating your auditory memory by my horrible sound. Okay, by teaching. Okay, this you have to practice, and if you are parents, teach your kids, teach your children. You will see miracles. You will see how they enjoy the learning. You see how their concentration increases when all these 3 elements are activated.